we will discuss about the class A. Okay, class A. So how many bits are required for IP address? This is 32 bits. So for the class A, now this is basically divided into 4 parts: 1, 2, 3 and 4. So for the class A, we will first take this first octet, that is consist of 8 bits. Okay, this first octet. Okay, so for the class A, I am saying for the class A, so first octet is taken like this way. So this is your first octet. Okay, and among which for the class A, the MSB of the first octet is 0, because previously we have shown that MSB of the first octet is 0. And how many bits are remaining then? 7. Okay, so 7 bits are remaining for the first these octets. Okay, and whose MSB is 0 and remaining there are 7 bits. So though network ID is of, basically it is of 8 bits. Okay, but among which already 0 has been taken, so remaining 7 bits. So how many network can we generate? We can generate 2 to the power 7 network can be generated for class A. Okay, and how many IP address can be generated? So remaining, so already 8 bits has been taken, and among which basically 2 to the power 7 network can be generated, because 1 bit already has been reserved. So 7 is taken, so 2 to the power 7 network has been generated, and there are remaining how many bits? This is total is 32. 8 bits taken for the first octet, and remaining there are 24 bits. So this 24 bits will generate the IP address. So how many number can be generated with 24? It is 2 to the power 24. This number is this number of IP address can be generated. This number of IP address can be generated, which is nearly equal to, I think it is 16 millions or something like that. Okay, so this can be generated. What is the 2 to the power 27? Now consider this part. What is the 2 to the power 27? 2 to the power 27 means 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8, 16, 32, 64 and 128. Okay, 128. So 128. So it is total number. 2 to the power 7 is 128. Okay, so let us think about what will be the first first part. If I take the first octet, first one is 0, so it will start with 0. 0 is already chosen. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, so what is this thing? It is 0. Next will be 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. This is 1. So like this way it is going, and next will what? 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. So this is 2, and like this way what will happen? It will go to 1 1 1 1 and all ones. Okay, but this bit, this MSB will be entirely 0, because this is a class A addressing. So this number, that is 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, it is nothing but it is 1. If you consider this way, this is nothing but, considering this part, 127. Okay, now 127. So from 0 to 127. So how many numbers can be generated? It is 128. Okay, from 0 to 127, how many numbers are there? 128 numbers are there. Okay, now among these 128 numbers, all these 120 numbers are used for IP address? No, it is not, because we will only practically we will use 126 IP address among this 128, because this part and this part we will not consider. Okay, so this part we will not consider for the class A addressing. So this is basically a direct broadcast address, and this is a network address. So out of these two, how many are left? 126. So with 126 IP address can be generated. Okay.